Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Medaxe Pickaxe from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin with, start right on the neck of the axe first. So I'm going to draw in just one little angle first. And then from here, this is going to be going down to the handle. So I'm just going to draw in two lines. This is going to be pretty long, so I'm just going to stop right there first. And then I'll finish up the top portion of this axe first. So I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to angle it a little bit more. And then from here, just come into those two lines. So just try to make it symmetrical. Alright, and then inside here, just adding two screws, and then there's a little plus sign here. So I'm just gonna draw a little plus sign, or you can just draw two bars if you like. That way it's a little bit easier. Alright, so now let's go up and finish up the top. Alright, so we're gonna go up from here. So right on this point here, just go up, make a little point. Alright, so just a V shape, and then right in the middle of this V shape, just gonna add a circle. Alright, now here's the tricky part. So from this point here, I'm gonna curve all the way down here, okay, to this point. So just come out to the side, and just come down, right around here, just stop. And then on this side here, we're gonna go out, all the way to the tip here. So just kind of slant it down and stop there. Okay, so once we have this part, it's a little bit easier now. So right here, just come across. And then this part's gonna slant up all the way past this point. And then from here, we just come straight across. And stop right around here. Alright, and then from this point here, I'm just gonna continue with this curve, or this line. Just kind of curve it down, come to this point here, make it nice and sharp. Okay, so that's the blade portion, and then now for the inside here, we'll finish this part up. Continue with this line here. Okay, this line, just keep going up. And then now on this point, let's draw one curve to this. And this one's gonna go up slightly higher. It's gonna go out a little bit more. Just kind of pinch it in and taper it off. Okay, so that's the tip of the axe, and then now for the handle. So this one's very easy, and it's kind of hard to see because I'm running out of space here on the camera. So I'm just gonna go all the way down. And then right on the tip here, continue down a little bit more. And then on this side, we'll flare this one out. And then just close it off with an angle. Alright, so let's finish up this part and then we'll go back up. So right here, just come in, just go down, just follow this outside line here. So we're just adding like a little bar. And then right here, come down and just go out. Alright, and then the middle part right here, it's just gonna be a bunch of little diagonal lines. So I'm just gonna draw one on the top here. Okay, so that's gonna be one bar, and then there's a bunch of them, so that's two. I'm just gonna draw in 5, 3, 4. Just make sure you draw it kind of the same slant. And that is it for this Medaxe. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.